Hello, today I will talk about the stunt racer Jeff Gorvette. Yeah, this one is, see the package. Yeah, this package is broken. See the button. Yeah, imperfect package. It's 2012 release. Yeah. Buy in Xianyu, which is $19 only. Yeah. In that seller, only Jeff Gorvette is available. Others they already hasn't. Yeah. So I now only buy the Jeff Gorvette to unbox. In the back, they will teach you the spin skills, tail, nose, side, and background 2 to 5 times. So now, let's open him. This is Jeff Gorvette. The car. Oh my goodness. Why this guy doesn't work? No. Why? Oh my goodness. God. Why? Yeah, I don't know how to play this. Yep. Oh my god. Also, I find that the color changer Jeff Gorvette is already reviewed in the case fee along with brand new meter. Yup. Now, last case DJ is really cool. It's awesome, but I prefer the China version. I ordered him, but will not show him. Jeff Gorvette color changer, I will probably buy him if he hit it in the stores, along with Street Riders. Yeah, I only have few color changes. It may be McQueen, I don't know. I'm considering that, but all will not unbox, and I will not upload to the video about it. Now testing more. No. Wow, thanks for watching this video, and I will test him more. Yeah, I don't know the reason why he doesn't work. Yeah, Thanks for watching.